We got 21 Tops update. There it is. It looks we got a gold card right here. Aaron Fletcher. Jake Arrieta.
Ariana.
Jeff Hoffman. Jorge Guzman. Stephen Brault. Matt B. Trevor Rosenthal. Ian Anderson. Rookie debut. And we got a gold card. A third gold card. Let's leave that in here. Tyler Stevenson, Dylan Moore, and Chase Anderson.